in the audience, including Honorable Okello Henry Oryem, Minister of State of International Affairs of the Republic of Uganda. Her Excellency Ambassador Natalina Edwards-Moe of the Republic of South Sudan, representing her Minister of Foreign Affairs and International Cooperation. Excellencies, we also have ambassadors and members of the diplomatic corps, Ms. Hannah Serua Tete, Special Envoy of the Secretary General for the Horn of Africa, who is joining us virtually, and other high-level representatives of the United Nations and the African Union, all protocols observed. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, the report being launched today focuses on the mobility dimensions of regional integration, one of the most transformative forces of development on the African continent and its sub-regions. By facilitating free movement of goods, services, and people, it has the potential to catalyze socio-economic opportunities, move households out of poverty, and increase the shared prosperity of countries and their citizens. Deeper regional integration allows member states to tackle joint challenges, including peace and security, climate change, and the drivers of instability. The African Union's Agenda 2063 envisions an integrated continent, politically united and based on the ideals of an African Renaissance. The East African Community and the Intergovernmental Authority on Development reflect this in their respective protocols. Your Excellency, President William Samoei Ruto, I am deeply humbled that you have chosen to grace this launch with your presence. This is a true testament to the priority that your administration and the Government of Kenya has awarded human mobility and regional integration. I highlight this as the agency of member states is instrumental for advancing these objectives. I therefore welcome champions like Kenya and other governments in the region who are taking critical steps, experiences towards an ever closer integration.